So guys, welcome back to another live trading video. So right now there are two positions currently running. One is in Britannia Industries, other one is in SBI. So if you see in Britannia Industries, our entry was at 4432.20. This is our entry candle. 936 is where our entry was triggered. 4432.20 is where our entry was placed. And we kept our stop loss a little above the day's high. 4451.50 is where we kept our stop loss, and we are aiming for 1:2 risk reward ratio. And when it comes to SBI, our entry was at 627.30. This candle is where our entry was triggered. 627.30 is where we kept our entry, and our stop loss is a little above the day's high, 629.70. And in SBI we are aiming for 1:2, but still depending on the momentum we might exit half our positions at 1:1 and scale the rest of our positions to 1:2. Let's see how the price moves and we'll decide accordingly. I'll explain the reason behind the entries, exit, everything in detail once the trade ends. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, our target has been hit in SBIN. So moved our target to 622.6 instead of 622.5 because we thought it was a little bit of a extreme target. So just to be safe, we exited at 10 paisa above. But the sellers showed really great strength in SBIN today, and it started falling really well. But still we exited here. It's 1:1.96 risk reward ratio. So it was overall a pretty good trade, and we are still waiting for Britannia to move towards our target or stop loss, whatever it is. So I think I won't be able to explain live on Britannia since I have to go out. So I just placed my stop loss and target orders, everything. If possible, I'll try to explain it on live, but if not, I'll just explain once the market closed. I'll give the reason to the entries and exit no matter if it hits the target or stop loss. To both these orders, SPN already hit the target. I'll explain it, no worries. So stay tuned, guys. Let's see what happens today. So guys, as you can see here, our stop loss has been hit in Britannia Industries. So today we took only two trades. One is in Britannia Industries and the other one is in SBI. And one hit our 1:2 target and another one hit our stop loss. So overall we are closing with a profit today. So now I'll explain the reason behind both of these entries. So first we look at the winning trade SBIN. So guys, what happened today is the price opened here, made a bullish move, created a higher high formation, and there was another break of structure in this range. This can be considered as a break of structure, and we were looking for selling opportunity today because in the higher time frame this zone was acting as a resistance, and we were looking for the change of character here. So in this region there was the break of previous swing, so this can be considered as our change of character. So what we did was we marked our 1 minute order block once there is a confirmation in the change of character. So this can be considered as our 1 minute order block. This zone is what we call as the 1 minute order block, and we placed our entry based upon this 1 minute order block. That is why we kept our entry at 627.30, and I think this candle triggered our entry price, and we kept our stop loss a little above the day's high just to be safe. And there are some people who keep their stop loss just a little above the 1 minute order block, and I think it's not very much safe. As you can see here, this is a perfect example. Can you see here, this made a small movement above the order block, then the price started coming down. So there are some cases this might happen, so always be sure to keep a safe stop loss. It doesn't need to be 3% or 5% stop loss. A little above the order block or the day's high or something like that will be enough for you. And our target was kept here 622.6. We got our 1:2 risk reward ratio, and we extended our whole positions here. We didn't scale it to grab the future moves. We extended the whole position here, and I even thought this might act as a little support here, and maybe there might be chances to break it, but the sellers were very strong and the price pushed down very hard. So basically this was our entry and this was our target. Overall it was a pretty simple and a neat trade. So the next trade was in Britannia Industries, and you already know that it hit our stop loss. Still I'll explain the reason behind it. It is very much similar to our trade in SBIN. As you can see here, the price made a bullish move, a higher high and a higher low formation. This break of structure wasn't very much clear, but still I considered this as a break of structure, and we were waiting for the confirmation in the change of character. So this region can be considered as our confirmation. So this candle is what we marked as our 1 minute order block, and we placed our entry here, that is 4432.20, and stop loss as usual a little above the day's high 4451.50, and we were expecting for a 1:2 risk ratio, but unfortunately there was some strong move here, but it wasn't powerful enough to hit our target. So what happened? We hit our stop loss. And always remember, this trade wasn't taken based upon the 1 minute change of character alone. There was some good resistance in the higher time frame, and this trade was taken based upon the top down analysis. That is, we took this trade based upon multiple time frames. So I think it is also very important to analyze any stock in multiple time frames. It gives you a good perspective on how the stock moves, what direction it's about to move, and so many things. You'll get a clear perspective on it when you look at multiple time frames, and I think it's necessary to do it too. But still, we hit our stop loss in this trade. So overall, we are closing with a profit today, and that is where the risk reward ratio and the risk management played a great role here. Even though we took two trades, in one we ended up in profit and the other one hit our stop loss, we are closing with a profit. So always give importance to the trading psychology, and a lot of beginners are focusing on selecting the best strategy. They keep on jumping from strategy to strategy, but don't focus on trading psychology. I think you can become a consistent and a profitable trader with a decent strategy, but without a good trading psychology, even with the best strategy, you can't make any money. So focus on your trading psychology instead of changing from one trading strategy to another one. We'll wrap up the video with this information, and I hope it's useful for you. If so, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.